Hey, hang on here. Alrighty, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me now. Had a bit of an issue with this update this morning. I had to just stop the live and then re-go live again. So, hang on, guys. Sorry about that. Huh. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's so weird. Hmm. Yeah, this is weird. Huh. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Crazy. Yeah, sorry about that though. The damn stream started going all over the place here. Hopefully we're all good now. Xbox says I had the caffeine jitters this morning. Oh yeah. You know what I had was I had some Monster today. Well, I have one right now. We uh we went to Walmart, I bought that 24 pack of Monster. We went to WMT and bought MNST at WMT. We also got some KHC stuff, some CLX stuff, and some CPB stuff. I know, I'm just kidding. I don't think we got any CPB. I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure we got some CLX stuff, though. Hey, Marty, let's go. Thanks for joining, but hey, thank you all for being here today. Sorry you didn't get to hear me say it the first time. Yeah, I noticed my second screen was black, and I was like, what's going on here? Something's not working right. Something here, something's wrong. And then I saw Peter said something was wrong, and I was like, I was like, something's gotta be off here, right? Something's gotta be wrong. So I just restarted it. Seems like it's all good now, though. Palantir, though, off of $8.30. There we go. Xbox goes, you fell off the wagon. No, Xbox, so get this. My girlfriend is trying to conspiracize against me, Xbox. She's trying to put me down. I'll tell you. I told the lady I'm drinking coffee, and what does she do? She comes home with a 24 pack of monsters. 24 pack of monsters after I told her I was trying to quit them. I was like, you're an enabler, babe. You're being an enabler. Yeah, I fell off the wagon, Xbox. I actually came home with all these, and I'm just sitting here like, what do I do with all of them? I can't throw them out. These things like $3 a can. $3 a can. There's no way I can throw these away. They really are stupidly expensive, I'll tell you that. This 12 pack costs like 24 bucks, so we're talking like, $2 a can for this. If you get it at the gas station, it's 3 or more per can. Freaking insane. That Palantir move is looking pretty good though at support. I will say the SPY falling under 411 there was pretty insane today. And what's interesting is that at open now we're starting to move back up and like retest that 411 area. So I'll be watching that for a bit of a support bounce, possibly back off to the downside, or I should say a resistance bounce. I guess I should say a resistance. Tesla is also very, very close to $200 even, so make sure you keep your eye on 200 even for them. That is a huge level. Wow, 200. That's just going to be huge psychologically. Probably a lot of big orders there. I mean, just all around 200 is going to be one of the biggest levels to watch. Go check out good old AI. It says it's leading my watch list up 6%. Following behind that is Bed Bath & Beyond, having a decent little pop-up at open again. Pretty good. What about Spotify? Breaking above 124. Okay. That's a good break. Give it that. All right, yeah, it's looking okay though. Spotify. GLD starting to look decent. Sean says Starbucks puts. Oh, Sean, we don't trade Starbucks puts around here. No, I'm just joking. Let's see, S Bucks. Kind of is actually. Trade it down to like $100. Could actually be pretty good. It's starting to break that low. That low last week got down there pretty low there, I guess, with those earnings for a minute. Fell down and had a big wick towards 103 and then came rocketing right back up. 103 is definitely a big level. I am seeing multiple areas of support right around 103, so make sure you watch 103 like a hawk here today. You'll see what the SM bot has with some momentum here today. Not really liking a lot of this movement here so far, not gonna lie. Not my favorite, you know, everything just fell down. Now it's just slightly, ever so slightly popping back up. Apple puts aren't looking bad. Watch this 152 support area, but Apple's actually extending down. Interesting. Snowflake SQ puts. Those stocks aren't my favorite setup to the downside yet. TTWO's falling ahead of earnings tonight. Wow. They're actually really dropping off. I guess someone's expecting something bad with them. That's funny. Damn. I wonder if they'll announce some new data on the new Grand Theft Auto. That'd be really cool. Or announce something new. Wow, Activision's taking a bit of a plunge now, again, ahead of their earnings too. Lots of moves down here. Did you guys see that Ryan Cohen took a stake in Nordstrom last week? It was actually pretty big news on Friday morning. Yeah, Nordstrom started flying up. I was going to keep Nordstrom on the radar along with AI just to watch them. Oh, shit, AI, guys. AI's breaking. Oh, go get into AI, guys. Holy shit. Louis said he just got some BBAI calls. Nice. Let's check out BBAI. Yeah, they're both looking amazing, but AI itself starting to go again. There we go. Damn, that's another big run today. Woo! Let's go. It's almost up to $30 even, so watch out for that one. That's a huge move up, though. We'll take that with good old AI. For sure. What do we got here? Easy E. There we go. Can't play the easy out on here, though. I feel like I'll get... I could probably play the easy. I don't even think his shit's probably not even copyrighted. I don't even see it on YouTube. It's always on, like, weird random channels. It's always on just random stuff. Look at these earnings, though, guys. Check these out today. Tonight, we have Pinterest, Activision, and Take-Two Interactive. We also have Chegg. Apparently, Spirit Airlines, too, if they still report after their... I guess they report. Tuesday, so tomorrow morning, we have RCL and British Petroleum, and then after the market closes, we have Enphase, Chipotle, FTNT with Fortinet, LUMN, Lumen. Then Wednesday's the big day. Uber, CVS, Wendy's, Dominion, Yum, Under Armour, Disney, Affirm, Robinhood, MGM, Goodyear. O'Reilly Auto Parts? Okay. Oh, I wanted to just sing the O'Reilly song, but I'll spare you guys the misery of hearing that from me. Amazon under 100 this week, Warren asks. Man, Warren. Under 100? That's a tough one. 100's like right. That's like right on good support. That is a tough one. All right, I'm gonna be bold, Warren. I'm gonna be bold, and I'm gonna say that we hold 100. I'm gonna say Amazon holds $100 here. That'd be nice. That would be nice. Really nice. Peter says, I like Caffeine Tom better. There we go. Gotta get that I'll just have to start injecting caffeine, guys. I mean, that's all. It'll have to happen. Inject the caffeine. Yeah, Louis knows. I was wondering if that was a local thing or if that was a nationwide deal every time I hear that. I love that, though. That's awesome. It'd be awesome to drive, like, a race car that, like, was sponsored by, like, O'Reilly's Auto Parts. That would be so cool. That would be the day, wouldn't it? That would be the day. Midwest, essentially. Oh, okay. So it is a Midwest deal. Okay. Good. Good, good. Wow, Palantir bouncing. There we go. AI is still breaking. Gotta love it, guys. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. That's awesome. Gotta love the clash. There they are. Up above $30 with AI. Holy shit. Look at BBAI. Wow. Come on. BBAI's got to do better, man. How come you guys were trading this one and not the regular AI? Can I ask, like, any reason or just to mix it up? I'd never heard of this one before you guys brought it up. Damn, it was running, though. This one seems like it might have been the thing to kick it off, really. Kinda. I don't know. BBAI. Never heard of it before today, though. I love that jingle with O'Reilly. O'Reilly. Gotta love it. I wonder if I can find us the, Man, I wish I could play us some Easy-E. Gotta love it, right? O'Reilly's Auto Parts jingle. Here we go. Auto Parts. I am gonna be messed up all day from that O'Reilly's commercial now. All day, my mind is just gonna be singing O'Reilly. I'll tell you what, do you guys know the St. Louis Blues? We need our player on there, Ryan O'Reilly, to do a little bit better, man. This guy, he needs to pick up the pace. This guy. He's going to get his ass traded soon, I'll tell you. If you guys know hockey. No, I'm just kidding. The Blues kind of suck, though. It's weird. I feel like their team's pretty good, but they suck. I don't know. Louis. I feel you, Louis. I was hoping someone would say it. That's funny. Like, run here. Yeah, Tesla's starting to run, too. Run is starting to run? Who would have thought? Wow, who would have known? Of course, though, if you guys haven't subscribed yet or liked the stream, please do so. We go live every single morning before the market opens. Usually try to catch some good momentum, some good stocks. Right now, today, we're getting A lot of mixed momentum, in my opinion. A lot of shit going both ways. And yes, I call it shit today because I feel like it's not the best movement. The only thing moving good is like Spotify and AI. Besides those, it's like, SPCE's not even doing that good. What about Meta? Meta's trying. Enphase is trying too. I think Enphase has earnings this week, don't they? Yeah, Tuesday after the market closes. Like we just went over and I already forgot. So many earnings. Christian says Nvidia strong. Wow, there we go. Oh wow. Yeah, big support bounce. Glad we're back above like 210. Good old Nvidia. NVDA. One of the OGs. Imagine in 10 years, this thing will really be the OG. I wonder where AMD and Nvidia will be in 10 years, guys. I mean, on a, not on a split adjusted level, too. I got a poll for you guys today. A very interesting one. I think this poll is actually going to be a little bit more interesting than usual. So give me a second to type this one out. Karan says AI, or Kieran says AI is over 30 bucks. Hell yeah. There we go. Yeah, it was for a second. I've been eyeing it up, waiting for the secondary break here, but all right, guys. So I'm going to be making this poll about NVIDIA. The poll is going to be, where do you see NVIDIA in 10 years? Okay, now you can vote for anything you want, okay? But I'm going to make 4 options here. We'll just see what we come up with. We'll see what happens. So option number 1 will be under $150. Okay, option number 2 will be, well, yeah, we'll do that. Above. This is probably gonna like make a lot of people mad because there's just so much this thing could go. Above 300. Above 500. Now keep in mind, guys, I can only do 4 votes here, so we have to keep it kind of broad, okay? Like, it's gotta be broad. Peter says, hey, has anyone's charts for TD Ameritrade been acting slow? Let me go try mine out real quick, Peter. TSLA, Apple, AMD, NVIDIA, Palantir, LVS, Win. Yeah, mine are working good. JWN, BBBY. Yeah, mine are working pretty good, Peter, on a 1 minute with a lot of candles, where it takes a while to load. So it's working good for now, anyways. I know this shit lags off and on all day long, though. This depending. AI is now up 16%. $30.08. We're starting to extend back up again. We're holding up here, I should say. For now. Kind of seems like it might fall back, but for now we're holding very, very strong. I like it. Hey, guys, I'm gonna grab a quick drink of this Monster real quick. I'll be right back. And yeah, we gotta love that Monster, right? Let's go. Let's go. Here's what I love about Monster. We gotta get in the game, baby.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Yes, let me know what stocks you guys are watching, though. We will eye them up 100%. No, don't do it. Get coffee. Oh, no. I would, Keisha. I would. I was so sad. She spent 20 bucks on this. She spent like 24 bucks on this freaking thing. Here, watch. I'll go to Walmart and show you what we bought. Dang it, this is what we got here. Look at my previous search stuff. That's so funny. So I got this Monster 12 pack here. That's actually a really good deal, guys. If you buy any monsters from the gas station, you should just get them from Walmart. It is significantly cheaper. Significantly. And then I also got these I also buy these coconut buys. I'll tell you what, guys, if you guys have never tried Puna, what the Puna pineapple coconut. Here you go. Malachi coconut. This coconut drink buy thing, I don't know if this is good for you or not. It seems like it is. I'll tell you though, this thing is amazing. It's amazing. Now, I'm not a huge coffee guy myself, or I love coffee. I'm not a huge coconut water person. I'm also not a huge sweet person. I don't like a lot of sweets. I like this drink because it's kind of smooth. This Bai coconut thing. I'll tell you, I really recommend that Bai coconut drink. That is really good. Warren, it's not my fault. Didn't I told you already. It's not my fault. You know what I did last night because she bought these monsters is I drank coffee at nighttime last night. I felt like an old geezer. Felt like a geezer. I drank coffee for bed yesterday. Damn. It's gonna be rough. Coffee for bed, guys. It made me really feel old. I'll tell you that. I really did feel old. When I was growing up, I went to my grandparents' house all the time at night for dinner and stuff, like after elementary school and middle school and high school and all that stuff. And man, whenever I'd go over there, they always, I mean, always had coffee for dinner, and then just all night after dinner was just coffee. And all morning was coffee as well. But hey, I'm not judging, you know. Thought my grandparents lived to be very old, so we'll take it. I think my grandmother lived to be like 88. My grandpa lived to be like 91 or 90. I think 91. 90 was kind of cool to get to. I remember he was talking about it one day. He was like, it's kind of cool to get to 90, you know. And yell at kids. Xbox goes, I'm 32 and I drink it all day. Damn. Louis goes, soon you'll be yelling at kids to get off your lawn. Louis, I like that one. Oh, I like that. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Give me 1 second here. All right, guys, sorry about that. I had to test something there. I wanted to make sure it didn't mess up the stream too much there. Had to test something out, but we are back. Let's get into these stocks again. Let's get back into the stocks here. Stocks and coffee. That's our main two subjects here. Stocks and coffee. Did they drink their coffee black or use cream and sugar? Oh, Keisha, they drank it black. No, they actually used cream, but what's funny is that it was like so little of cream that I don't even think I'd count it as cream. And it was always the powder cream, powder cream. Lauren says, now I want to try coffee. You've never had coffee? Warren, are you kidding? That's gotta be a joke, right? Xbox likes it black, no cream, no sugar. Hell yeah. I like it with I like it black with sugar. Mm-mm. Yo says Cafe Bustelo for the win. Hell yeah. Cafe Bustelo. That place just sounds fucking nice. Cafe Bustelo. Oh, they have some K-cups. Hey, this looks cool. This looks like something you'd find on like a video game. As like a... Wow, okay. What's this? What the hell? Is this Cafe Bustelo? What the hell is... Look at this coffee. What the fuck is this? Oh my gosh. What? What the fuck kind of coffee is this shit trying to sell me? Okay. Well, I typed in Cafe Bustelo and that came up. Like, what the fuck? That picture, Trump's like too skinny in that picture. He looks like Superman. It's not. I kind of like the picture of this lady better here. Looks like a cafe con leche. I like it. Leche is milk, right? What the fuck was that? I wonder if they have Biden coffee. They have Trump coffee. I wonder if there's any Biden coffee out there. Oh, Cafe Bustelo. I like it. That's a really cool logo, though. I have to try some one of these days if I can get some here. Pretty cool. What's pretty cool right now is my mom is actually in Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico. She's in Old San Juan. Old San Juan. Pretty interesting place. Looks like fun. It definitely looks like fun. Got the old Palantir. Come on, man. In the words of Joe Biden, come on, man. Gotta do better than this today. These stocks are just like fucking flat as hell today. Like, look at this. Just totally flat. We're gonna have to go into like watching movie scenes today. I mean, the market ain't keeping up here. It's not keeping up. I bet AI is keeping up though. Hell yeah, AI is powering back up. Check out AI again. We actually got some momentum back. There we go. There we go. Love it. Louis says that powdered cream is highly combustible. What the fuck? Really? Let's check. Let's check that out. MythBusters and the shit. Okay. Oh, hang on. This Warren Buffett guys got me. State of the Union address tomorrow night. Oh no. Oh shit. Is he actually gonna do one? I think he skipped the first one, didn't he? Biden's been skipping State of the Union addresses, right? Biden skipping so too. Did he skip the last one? Look at this Washington Post guy. Biden, do us a favor and skip this. Is it just me or has he skipped these before? I feel like they've skipped these. I don't know. Maybe there was one. It looks like there was one in 2022 apparently. Whatever. I guess there was one, but it was on Ukraine. I don't even remember hearing these. Huh. Pretty weird. Maybe my huh. Sean said he's got to put the coffee down by around 3. That's funny. Mythbusters. What's the clip? Coffee creamer. Here we go. Highly combustible. All right, here we go. 2 minutes long. Don't ban us, YouTube. All right, real quick though, let's check out the stocks. I don't want to miss AI's breakout here if it's breaking. SPY starting to just stand still. Apple, Palantir's starting to move a little, but nothing too crazy. Tesla's falling off. Thanks a lot, Tesla. Tessie, thanks for that. What the hell, SPY? You're going down on us here? Oh, that always happens.
How dare you?
I always have it muted, and then it doesn't come up right. All right.
We could set this whole hillside on fire.
I'm either expecting to see a much bigger mushroom cloud of fire, or because it's heavier, we're going to see bloop, and it's going to catch on fire, and then we're going to stand there and watch it burn out. Hopefully, choice A.
Grant slowly builds the air pressure to 120.
Good to go.
Then Tori sets the spark. The mass of the creamer in relation to the volume of air is crucial. This could either be a blast or a burn.
All right, fire this puppy up. All right, here we go. Non-dairy creamer cannon in 3, 2, 1. That was frightening.
Terrifying!
Did you get that on high speed?
What the hell? This is all coffee
remember
creamer?
to push the on button on the off chance that this might be one of the biggest fireballs ever.
This was frightening. I mean, seriously, there was a moment where I'm like, oh, crap. This was a bad idea.
All I heard in my head was, run. And I started up the hill as fast as I could go. And I'm still on a little bit of adrenaline buzz right now.
Dude, you gotta feel this. It's like the top of a creme brulee.
Oh my God.
I think you need a new camera.
Should we take that off? Is it still rolling? Oh, look at that.
Oh, whoa! Whoa, it saved it!
Hey! Hey!
Wow. Oh no. Oh no. YouTube knew I was watching something. They knew I was watching something this time. The Mythbusters must be on their shit. It's pretty funny though. SPY's starting to come back a little bit here. Thank God. Thank God. Boeing's not looking good. BBAI broke out. I know this one's a fan favorite today. Come on, BBAI. AI itself needs to get up there and going better too. Get up there and get going, baby. Oh, come on. Hmm. Let's see. BBAI. How's General Motors? Ford? Man, those companies are sucking lately. Spy's coming back, though. Just waiting for that big move with BBAI. I feel like it's gonna happen. I mean, it's got a lot of hype today. Where did all the hype come from on this? Pretty insane, actually. Tons of hype came in. Ooh. The sniper bot called out TSM puts. Oh, shit. Taiwan Semiconductors, one of my favorite stocks out there. I think this one's going to be awesome, just like Nvidia is going to be awesome. I think TSM, Nvidia, Intel, and AMD are going to be still the big players going forward. Even Intel, I think they'll be fine. They'll be fine. They're down a lot, but hey, so is AMD. They're down a lot too. Past couple years, a lot of big pullbacks. I will say Nvidia though, they're probably my favorite. They're probably the best one. Really, really good on that front. It doesn't mean that they're not overpriced though. You know, I mean they are overpriced. We'll just have to hope that they can just keep trading at the price to sales that they are. You know, these companies sometimes they can trade at high price to sales ratios for a long time. Until they don't. And then it seems like shit. I think Apple's one that's always been pretty good in that front. Palantir is actually looking pretty good today. I like this setup. You know, we've had 2 huge pullback days. Now we're starting to move back up. Kind of seems like a pretty good breakout back to the upside. Can't lie. I think it looks good. Wow, BBAI. There's the break. There is the break. Let's go. Look at that. Big extension on this 1 minute candle. 665. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Don't forget to vote in the poll if you guys haven't either. Wow, nice. A lot of you guys seen video above 300 in 10 years. 300. That's the majority of that. Now, I know that that's a very wide poll. You know, that poll is very across the board, I guess, is what I would say with it. Yeah, I'd say like very across the board. But yeah, I don't know. Pretty crazy. I'm glad no one picked above 1,000, but honestly, like I'm not gonna lie, like over 10 years, I think that could happen. That would only be going up 5x. Now I say only 5x. I guess let's see how much it went up over the past 10 years. So let's go to 2023. Let's go back to 2013. Hell, this thing was so low back then. Wow, 6,200%. Jeez, Jesus, I didn't even realize it was that good. And they had the split already. What was that split? 4-1. So they were going for like $1,000 a share, like 800 or something when they split, or 700. Damn. Nvidia is explosive, guys. Explosive. I think it's one of the better stocks out there. I really do. Do I think buying right now is the way, though? No. No. But don't forget to vote in the poll. 13 votes so far total. Also, like up the stream if you haven't yet. I'd appreciate that. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, BBAI. Let's go back to it. I hope it keeps going, but man, it got a good extension there. There we go, 671. Uh-oh. Yeah, BBAI to the moon. I hope you guys like this. I know Peter better like it. Who else is trading BBAI today? Anyone else? If you're not, just let me know. Or if you are, I mean, just let me know. Thoughts on Affirm and SoFi, Xbox said. AFRM and SoFi. Affirm has earnings this week, I know. On Wednesday. Affirm and SoFi. SoFi. Damn, I mean, I like SoFi. Man, SoFi is just so high here in the short term. That's my only issue with it. I would say today, I think SoFi looks kind of good to the upside still. Looks like it's having a solid move here. Might be able to pop back up a little bit, but, you know, we're running up into some bigger resistances here. So as I look at that daily, that recent high up around like $8.25 and even $8.50, anywhere between there is a pretty big level. So yeah, anywhere above there is pretty big. Wow, Keisha said she bought shares of BBAI and AI. Damn. BBAI and AI. Hopefully it works out. Running up right into that big resistance there, but man, they're getting high in the short term. Keisha, do you have any target levels in mind? Or are you just looking to like hold with some momentum here? Oh wow, Xbox got 5 shares. Sold already though, 6.25 on BBAI. Not bad. You got a little breakout, right? Nice little breakout going in there. Let's see what we got. A lot of my watch list is just sitting here like right in the middle, unchanged. Don't forget that Disney reports earnings this week. It looks like they're actually pretty dang overextended right now. Wow. Dang, that was all the way on December 20th. Wow, look at this. On December 20th, someone put $1.89 million into the Disney strike calls. That's funny as hell. Gotta delete some of these fucking lines. Hang on. Oh, hang on. I gotta draw it a little bit better. Go like this. Go boom, 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 boom. That arrow looks like dog shit. It's okay. You get the point. Get the point. That's pretty insane, though. The big money always buys in like right at the right fucking time. Like always. That's actually pretty big though. Not gonna lie. That was a pretty big play by the smart money there. They got in right at the fucking bottom. It took a couple days, but worked out. Kisa G's up 30% on BBAI. Nice. And 10% on AI. Holding for years to come. Okay. Damn, nice, Keisha. Well, what price you in at? Did you buy like today? Wow, I hope that goes well. I like AI. Pretty good stock. I don't know enough about BBAI though. I'm just not a... I have, like I said, I hadn't heard about that one before today, so I don't want to, you know, give you guys any false info on that one or nothing. It's not how I want to be. It's not how I want to be. Peter says, big money makes the market. They don't have good timing. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely looked like they didn't on that one. I'll give them that. They fucked it up on the timing, that's for sure. Keisha, did you just start doing it, or have you been doing it the past, like, couple months? I'm wondering, because you know what I mean? Like, if you have been doing it, your average would be, like, lower. So I'm just curious if your average is, like, higher or lower. Got in last week, okay. That's cool. I owned some AI a while ago, and I sold out at a loss, actually. Can't remember when I got it. It was some shares. I'll be honest. At the time, I was glad I got out of them. Things fucking tanked. I just can't remember now. A little while ago, though. I wonder how Meta's doing. They're kind of holding strong. Holding strong up here. You know, there's a lot of AI stuff people also don't realize. Like, for example, a lot of people wouldn't think that, well, I always bring this one up, but a lot of people don't realize how big, like, NVIDIA is with AI. For example, AI is probably the biggest, or I mean AI, fuck. NVIDIA is probably the biggest AI stock out there because their chips are used to, like, directly make AI platforms, and a lot of AI uses their chips slash cards or whatever you want to call them to run those processes, because those, it has to be pretty quick, and these things are pretty good for running those processes and stuff. Kind of another one that is an outlier. What's another one? I mean, Tesla's a big one, of course. AI stocks. Let's see. Let's start looking some up. I mean, might as well, right? Oh yeah, Oracle. Forgot about Oracle. And NICE, NICE. Forgot about that one too. Nice. Nice, guys. Nice. Three big AI stocks. Wow, everyone's saying NVIDIA. Wow, what a good list. They picked the three easiest ones: NVIDIA, Google, and Amazon. What a thoughtful list. What's SOUN? Is that another one? Soundhound. What the fuck is this? Soundhound AI. Have you guys heard of this one? SOUN. Weird. On the daily, it kind of has that weird setup like BBAI does in the short term, like a weird pump. Pretty crazy. I was trying to find some AI ETFs last week, and those ETFs sucked. I actually looked into them a little bit more. Those ETFs just were kind of like, ah. Yeah, IBM's really good too. IBM. I don't know. IBM's just not my favorite company anymore. I don't know what it is. I don't know. They're probably gonna be fine. I'd rather get into a hype train thing like Nvidia or something. I'm not saying this stock will be bad. It actually looks like a pretty good buy right now in the middle of the range on support. I think this one will do just fine. I'm just not a. I don't know too much about the Watson. I'm not gonna lie. I've heard a lot. I've heard a lot about it, but I'm not like an expert with Watson, and I just don't understand IBM as a business overall. What I'm basing my investment off of at this point, which probably isn't the best way to go about it in IBM's case, because they're probably such a big company that's been around forever. But yeah, he's waiting for 120. That's a pretty big support. But the thing that I am really basing this on is, for example, IBM is doing good like with Watson and stuff like that. What I worry about is IBM just as a computer company, I feel like is just failing. Like I know that they're not really like a bigger, maybe Dell, do they make the Dell stuff? Like I don't know. I feel like that this type of company, like these types of companies like IBM are just kind of like going under a little bit. Here's what they remind me of. See these computers from back in the day, how like look, if you search IBM computer, this is like what comes up. Now this reminds me of like Nokia, guys. It's like a Nokia situation for me. For anyone who's been around for a while, you remember that guy who loved Nokia? The reason why I don't love Nokia is because they're out of the game. They're not what they were. And that's how I feel like IBM is. They're just not what they were. But they do own Dell, I think, right? Does IBM own... Oh, they own Lenovo, maybe. Let's see. I don't think they own Dell. Yeah. Why did it say that? I saw something where it just said that a second ago. Or, well, it keeps bringing up Dells when I search it, I guess, is where I got. Yeah, here we go. That's what it was. They got me confused with the stupid picture. What was that other one that popped up there? Does IBM own Lenovo? Let's see, do they own Lenovo? That's what people were searching there. Oh, Lenovo acquired IBM a long time ago. Their personal computer business. Okay. Okay, wow, okay. So these things used to be IBM stuff. That's just so weird how these companies change, over the years. I just, you know what I'm saying though, as far as like hype goes and stuff, I just feel like it's not the powerhouse it once was. Like if this was like the early 90s, late 90s, early 2000s, ooh, I'd be like, oh, IBM, yeah. IBM. But right now it's like, oh, IBM, it's like, it's just not the best, in my opinion. But that doesn't make it a bad investment. I think it's a solid company. I've looked at the fundamentals a little bit on it. Seems pretty good, and I think they do pay a decent dividend. Let's go on FinViz and search it up. I think their dividend's actually pretty respectable, if I remember. Watch them not even pay one. That'd be funny. Tide looks stupid. At 4.82%. Yeah, that's actually really, really good for a company like this. Nice. Okay. Yeah, so I like that about them. They're at support. I just, not my favorite. That's all. Doesn't make them bad. I agree, though. 120 seems like a good support. Keisha said Campbell's soup looked good. CPB. Not the soup. No soup for you. That's what they said. Oh, hang on. Let's look at this trend line here. This trend line's freaking nuts on Campbell's soup. The trend might be off just a little bit here, but wow. Campbell's soup has been bouncing here time and time again. Xbox says, who knows? They could be trying to come up with something that they haven't announced yet and others haven't done. Yeah, I know Xbox, but, you know, I get it. It's all speculation. Definitely could be. They definitely could be. I would just rather get, like, Nvidia or something, you know? So, somebody who's, like, more directly into it right now. But I will say Nvidia's a little overpriced. Like, I'd rather buy IBM at the moment. 100%. 100% I'd rather be buying IBM right now. Yeah, they could, though. I don't know. I don't think they will. Because it sounds like they got out of the personal computer game, so... I don't know. Maybe they'll do something with their AI. That'd be cool. They'll be around. You know, they'll be around for a long time to come. Big company. Big company. I'm trying to think of... Oh, yeah, Nokia was that other stock. Man, that other guy, he kept saying Nokia... I felt so bad. The guy was up $1 million. He was up $1 million. And he ended up losing... I think he ended up losing on this Nokia play he did. Man, that was a rough trade. I felt pretty bad for that poor soul. He was trading Nokia, and he had some options on it as like GameStop started flying. He put 50 grand into this, and he ended up being up over $1 million on the P&L. And he let it come all the way back to the downside. And then he ended up losing. His name was Icy Pro. You know, we used to feel bad. You know, we used to kind of be like, yeah, we're not even going to say his name. But, you know, he don't talk in the Discord anymore. So it was Icy Pro. And plus, you know, I'm not going to lie. The guy was kind of spewing some bullshit. All right. Like, when we get nitty and gritty with it, the guy was spewing bullshit. You know, he was... Now, here's exactly why I don't like IBM, and I don't like Nokia for the same reason. Is like Nokia, they were really big with their phones. You know, they were huge, right? Huge. And the reason that they were still going was that they were based off of patents. You know, they had a lot of 4G patents, 3G patents, apparently 5G patents, I think, too. So people were paying them off for, like, the patent usage and stuff like that, which was interesting. You know, I thought that was interesting. But people kept saying that they were going to keep coming out with this new great stuff, you know, and I don't know, they still might be coming out with the new great stuff, but nonetheless, their options got destroyed. But man, that was a crazy story, though. You know, sometimes it's just like, oh, these companies that were once really, really great. It's just like, I don't know. Nokia is an extreme example, though. Extreme. I think IBM's a lot better than Nokia, but same type of thing. Honestly, like ever since 2012, 2011, IBM's just been selling off. You know, just straight. If you would have invested in this 10 years ago, you'd be a loser. That sucks. That would suck to be a loser over a 10-year investment. That blows. Look, even if you invested in SPY 10 years ago, you'd be up like 400%. And fuck the rest of the market, right? I'm investing in SPY, guys. I'm done. Done with these other stocks. No, I'm just kidding. You guys should really do that more often, though, I'd say. SPY will be dope as we go on. SPY would be dope. We got to get the, you know, some good stuff going for SPY. SPY's the best. Deserves a round of applause there. Definitely does. Man, my heat map today is extremely red. Extremely red. for the majority of the stocks. Apple's starting to actually sell off pretty big here intraday. Microsoft's breaking down too. Damn. That sucks. I don't want to fly down, guys. Come on. AMD's breaking lower though. That could be a good day trade, I think. Maybe some puts on AMD's. Maybe some puts on Nvidia if it falls under this 209 extension here. Could be pretty big, actually, some of these plays here. So make sure you eye up a couple of these stocks. I really like these setups. A couple of them are very nice looking. Yeah, that's good, Keisha. It's always good to own some SPY. It's really good exposure to a lot of companies. I will say, though, IBM is one of the better stocks I've heard in a while. Usually people are always talking about crazy stocks on here. I'm not calling AI and BBAI crazy, but you know what I mean. Compared to, like, IBM, those stocks are kind of crazy. You know, DraftKings would count as crazy, too, which I like, so I'm not saying I'm not crazy. I'm just saying people always... It's rarer you hear people buying into, you know, safer assets like that, you know, like Apple, Microsoft, SPY. I don't even want to say Disney because it's down so much right now, but you know, that's another one. Stuff like that. And then, you know, most people are buying into like Palantir, DraftKings, you know, AI. You know what I'm saying? Just totally different companies like growth stocks. Sean has VOO. Nice. Yeah, that's good. That's pretty much SPY. Same shit, right? Pretty much. Let me go look at VOO's dividend. Doesn't one of these guys pay a good dividend? FinViz, right? Oh. What's happening? Like, it wasn't popping up in my history there. VOO. I thought one of these guys paid a bigger dividend. So, yeah, I think I'm right. VOO pays a 1.57% dividend. And the SPY... Nope. They're actually around the same. So, it is what it is. I guess I thought wrong there. Wow, look at that little uptrend here on the SPY. It's pretty cool. FinViz is even drawing out some little drawings for us. It's nice. Yeah, VOO solid, though. If anyone out there wants to mix it up a little bit, get the Vanguard version. Does one of them have, like, less fees or something? I don't know. Could. I guess it could. Wow, very mixed on our votes here now, though. Oh, no, it's not. Above 300 still winning. GNS is up, Xbox says. GNS, genius. Is this another AI stock? I hadn't heard of this one. I've heard of this stock. I'm not sure what they do. Actually, I think I've heard of GNUS. Is GNUS what the? What's the difference? They're both genius. So we have Genius Brands and Genius Group. So interesting, but okay. Very interesting SPY. Or very interesting trading view. This one's up more today, so I think it's up more. Wow, Pepsi's up 1% here. Really nice for Pepsi. Decent move for them. What about Coca-Cola? Yeah, it's up a little bit too. It's funny. Lockheed Martin's even up 1%. Pretty good for a stock like them, honestly. That's pretty good. There we go. Solid, solid movement there. Let's see what the bot has running up here. Want to get some momentum. See some momentum. Some breakouts. Square puts. Uh-oh. Square to the downside, guys. That definitely seems like a good little put play here today. Remember, we were trading AMD down in the hashtag day trading channel today, so check that out. We call him out before the sniper bot. Zom has a big move down as well on the bot. Gilead's fallen. G-I-L-D, or G... Can't type it right. G-I-L-D, there it is. Big move up, sorry. Big move up, that's what I meant. Calls are flying. Up above 87. Come on, let's go. That'd be big if Gilead could get above there. Woo, look at that daily chart of Gilead. What does Gilead do that makes him pop this much? Like, guys, give me like a brief, like, you know, one sentence thing on what Gilead does, because what the hell has caused this? Just the earnings? I mean, it was doing pretty good before the earnings came out, right? Sheesh. Some of these stocks better start bouncing today, I'll tell you. Or it's not going to be looking good here in a few hours. Not going to be looking good, but hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. I really do. You know, the market's been a little bit choppy today. A lot of up and down price action. No real breakouts. We started to get some breaks to the downside, but now SPY's bouncing right off of 408. So, wow, interesting there. I'm going to post this up real quick. Yeah, it's a pretty good bounce, though, off 408. I'll say pretty good price action back up. Hopefully it holds. I'll be honest, though, I'm not betting on it. Seems kind of rough here today. Might trade some stuff back up if I catch some momentum here in a little bit, but let's see what the sniper bot calls out. You know, that's probably what we'll stick with. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. Seriously, lots of movement today. You know, not the best price action, but, you know, a lot of movement either way. Felt like we had some fun there as well. Had the Mythbusters coffee creamer going on. Oh, shit. Look at that. But, yeah, I appreciate you guys joining up. I do. Have a great rest of your day. Xbox, Sean, Keisha, Louie, Peter, of course. I should say Black Swan Investments. Love it. Louie, Marty Longoria, Warren, Young Puff, Yo Lion. Thanks for joining. That name's awesome. Hope I'm saying it right. Christian, yeah. Sean. Let's go, guys. Warren, yeah. A lot of guys in here today. I appreciate you joining. Bill W. Yeah, let's have a great rest of the day, though. You know, continue to crush it here this week. We got the big earnings coming up. That's really all we got. You know, if we look at the earnings here, not really too much on the economic calendar front. So if you guys enjoy it, you guys can go ahead and screenshot this earnings here. I'll actually make it full screen. So if you screenshot it, it'll look a little bit better right now. Sit here for a few seconds, but I really do appreciate you guys joining up. We go live every single morning at market open. So if you haven't yet subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate that. I know most of you guys already are, though. But let's go ahead and kill it. You know, we need that SPY to continue up this week. And, you know, it looks like right now we're consolidating. We had that big move up Thursday, and ever since then, just consolidating now. So we'll have to see where the market takes us. We got this big support around 408. So watch 408 as the day goes on. But over and out, guys. I will see you later.